Hey guys, so this is going to be your tutorial for both November 23rd and November 24th, so Monday and Tuesday. If you miss either of these days, make sure you are, watching this right now. So our checklist items for Monday is first things first, vocab that was due on Friday on weather tools. If that's not complete, please get it turned in. Also, the weather unit test that we took on Friday needs to be done before Thanksgiving break occurs. So you got to get it done. Monday, which is our first day working on the PROTUS project, we're not going to start you guys on new notes yet. So we're going to do this introduction project instead. PROTUS vocabulary has been assigned, but it's not due until the 14th of December. So we still have a ways to go before that happens. But there are quite a few vocab words, so don't wait until the last minute. Your Common Assessment Study Guide is due on Monday, so a week from this Monday. And you're going to have a test on everything we've learned so far this year on Tuesday the 1st. So let's talk about this introduction to PROTUS project. I don't want to give you guys notes on this information yet. Instead, I want you to do a little bit of digging. So under the classwork category in Google Classroom, you'll find this assignment. It gives you a little bit of background information that says PROTUS are single-celled organisms, meaning they're only made up of one cell. They move, reproduce, and gather energy, but in very specific ways. If found inside humans, they can cause sickness or disease. And here are four little PROTUS right here. The purple guy is an amoeba. This guy is a paramecium. The little green guy with a tail is a euglena. And this guy is a volvox. Now it says, can you help solve the mystery? The country has yet to find the cure for COVID, but a crazy mad scientist seems to believe that information lies in the hands or bodies of PROTUS. The mad scientist thinks that PROTUS have something to do with the reproduction and spread of this virus. Your job is to pick one of the four PROTUS and do some major private investigator work. You need to find out every little detail about everyday life as a PROTUS. How it moves, how it reproduces, what it eats, where it lives, you name it. We have to know it. Okay? So here are some key questions right here that you have got to research. So you're going to pick one of these four PROTUS right here. You're going to type the PROTUS name in, and then you're going to answer these questions. Where does it live? How does it move around? How does it reproduce? Is it plant-like, animal-like, or both? Is it considered harmful? How long is their lifespan? What does it eat? Is it an autotroph, heterotroph, or both? How is it unique? What organelles do they have and what do they do? And then, can PROTUS actually eat viruses like COVID-19? Depending on which PROTUS you choose, I have linked websites for you, 3 for each one, that'll give a lot of this information for you. So hopefully you don't have to be doing too much Googling because these websites have the majority of the answers you're looking for. Okay, you can use other websites if you want, but these websites are here just to guide you in your research. So once you've gathered all your information, to showcase what you know, you have to use a tech option. So you're either going to make a Flipgrid, a Google Slides presentation, or a Prezi with the information that you gather for your PROTUS. Now, for those of you that hate on Flipgrid so much, I will be completely honest and tell you Flipgrid is the easiest option here because all you have to do is record yourself talking about it for 1 minute and 30 seconds and you're done versus creating a whole slides presentation versus creating a whole Prezi presentation. Okay, so whatever you think you'll be most successful at, that's really the route we want you to go. Okay, so for Tuesday, we're going to continue working on this, okay? So we're going to continue working on the PROTUS project, and you're going to need to turn it in on Tuesday before Thanksgiving break, okay? Don't forget PROTUS vocab is due on the 14th of December, and your Common Assessment Study Guide is due on Monday, so your test will be on Tuesday. There is the project once again, so you will be responsible for finishing up this project on Tuesday, and then turning it in Google Classroom. You must have this document right here filled out. It's in the classwork tab. Okay, you have to have this filled out, and you have to have either a Google Slides presentation, a Prezi presentation, or a Flipgrid done to portray the information that you found based off of the PROTUS that you chose. Okay, so if you guys have any questions at all, be sure to ask your teachers, and we would love to help you.